fun begins. So long to yesterday, the old year ends. Good times are here to stay. So raise your glass and drink a toast to friends. This is the place the fun begins. It's getting late, the countdown has begun, but we can't wait for that 4, 3, 2, 1. It's New Year's Eve. Before the old one ends, we're on our way. The fun begins. We have all been waiting so very long to make it through the year. I don't know how, but we got clear. Look at us now, good times are here. And today, it's time to play. The fun begins. So long to all lengths, and it won't end. We'll just keep feeling fun. Let's celebrate and raise a glass with friends. This is the place the fun begins. It's New Year's Day. The fun